Hello, everyone. I'm here with Bertrand today, and we're going to build in public. Bertrand, you're ready?
Yes, like the scout, always ready.
Perfect. Sounds good. Sounds good to me. So, what's the plan for today? What's the idea for today?
To hide the Web3 way, the Web3 part.
Yes.
So, using Google account to avoid needing an existing Web3 wallet,
Mhm.
and then adding the Arthera subscription to the contract
Mhm.
to avoid needing the gas token to pay for the transaction fees, if I understood well.
Yes, exactly. So last week we built a little staking app using the template provided by Thirdweb, and we thought it was relevant to let's say to do another to try out another guide from Thirdweb, and they actually have something called embedded wallets, which looks like a bit like Web3 auth, if you agree, Bertrand.
Mhm.
So that's the idea. Um, so of course we will share the link of this guide in the show notes. Um, but it's frankly it's it's kind of easy to add, but yeah, let's just give it a try right now. Am I sharing my screen? No, I'm not.
No, not yet.
Okay. So I'll just do that. Okay. So this is the guide I was talking about.
Mhm.
And so what I did, so this is our Halloween staking app, and I'm just going to launch it. It's going to be Yarn Start, I think. No, it's not a Yarn Start. Um, maybe a yarn before or something like that. Yes. Or yarn dev, maybe. I don't even remember. Yes, yarn dev. So let's see what it gives. So I basically followed this guide. Nothing too complex here. And so yeah, we can see here in the so we can see the changed part of these two files here. So it was the embedded wallet from the Thirdweb React module that we import here, and then I just added this. What did I add? This part. So within the Thirdweb provider tag, you can add this supported wallet, and yeah, so we actually can use the embedded wallet. So that's in the underscore app.js page, and then in the index page, I added.
Just click on the row. That's a nice feature of VS Code also. If you click at the row in the middle, it will remove, it will revert this indentation modification that is not right.
There.
Just click on it. And removed.
Yes, that's better. That's better. Thank you, sir. So yeah, it was basically just a modification on also I need to save it, by the way. Just a modification on the basically on the wallet behavior, right? And what does it give? Let's see. So I'm refreshing this. That's probably because I'm already logged in. I can disconnect and then connect again, and ta-da! This is that sort of Google sign in that we have here. I could do the same with an email address. And so what it's going to do, if I don't have a wallet address yet, this like I think it's Thirdweb. So I don't know how exactly it works in the background, but it basically generates a key pair for you, generates a wallet for you, and you have access to it if you have access to your email, right? And yeah, that's it actually. So this wallet is empty, and we're going to keep it empty because right after that we're going to integrate with our Arthera subscription. So yeah, that already works. Now, what's the next step for us, Bertrand? The next step is maybe I should push. I think it was deployed. It was deployed to Netlify, right?
Yes.
So
yeah, it's a continuous deployment. No.
yes, absolutely. Should I just commit and push, and it will
and it's in. You have put it in a feature branch. So then we do the pull request. And,
yep. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's just about the embed wallet. So this way we can see that it's very easy to add a wallet.
Yeah. So I'll just do that, and then we will update the contract, and then update the contract address.
Yeah.
In the UI. So yeah, I'm just gonna commit.
Be careful about what you want to commit, but yeah, I mean,
Okay.
but yes, that's just for testing. So
Yes. Yes. We're just testing, but we want to do. Let's try to do it in the cleanest way.
So if you want to do it in the cleanest way, you should just change the order of your line. If you look at the difference, here you see that the active chain, it's not detected, is detected as changed, just because you change the order. So if you put it back, like if you put it back at the first, no, I mean for active chain.
For active chain. Oh, it should be, yeah, sorry. Okay. So this one should be in the first position here.
Yeah. And then you can even click on the arrow again. Yeah.
Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, so we can a potential maintainer or external contributor can read in a very clear way what happened here. So this we don't really need. We don't need to keep it, right?
But you have commented it, so.
Yeah, but even the comment we don't read. Ah, yeah, it was.
Yeah, but then you will see with the pull request what will be the difference with the main branch.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, just the difference between your state branch, the state of your status of your branch, of your remote branch, and the.
Maybe I can also
like what you are pushing on.
Also put this one in the first position.
Yeah, this one is very needed.
That looks better. I'm saving this.
And yeah, maybe you can just remove the comment.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Remove the comment there. No, I mean remove the modification.
Remove the modification.
Yeah, and why we don't use?
Oh wait,
testnet and.
Yeah, that's just a log, right? That's just a console log.
Yeah.
So
just to remove and see, we will see in the pull request.
Okay.
But I feel that's good to still have a log for a developer.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so we're good for this underscore app.js file.
And here you want to log the console.
That's not exactly a good idea. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, because you should not share the client ID. The client ID is meant to could be shared. But because if you whitelist it.
No, we don't want to share that. So let's just remove it, right?
You can just click on the arrow. Yeah.
Yeah, I could also click on the arrow. Okay, sorry. And there actually, I think I'm not sure, but I think this is not needed for some reason.
When you import something, if you import something, then you should use it.
Absolutely. I think I added it. Yeah, it's just not used.
And it's not used, as you can see,
used
because it's great. So you just can remove it
in the app.js file.
So that's why it's, if you want to do it in a clean way, it's better to review it before pushing it.
Definitely. Thank you, Bertrand. I mean, it's great to take like good habits.
Yeah, I feel like that.
Yeah, and most of my good habits.
Hackathon way.
Yes.
That's why usually.
I must say, a lot of my good habits come from your advices. So thank you for that.
And next week I will be in a hackathon of East Global Istanbul. So I think it will be a different habits that I will see. That it's hackathon, so let's make it quick and dirty. But then when you push to production something that has been made,
I mean,
quick and dirty during the hackathon, that's when you get all this security issue.
Yeah.
Because most of the time, security is second-class citizen, as we say in English.
Yeah, that's a problem actually. But I would say that during hackathons, and as for prototyping, I think well, it depends. I mean, as you design the app, how to say that? At least before I joined the team, I would say, as I was like eventually designing some applications, you don't necessarily. I shouldn't say that because I mean, I changed.
Because you joined the team now.
Yeah, now I joined the team, so I have kind of a different approach, kind of influenced in a good way by this holistic security approach that we want to have in everything we do at Arthera, and that's also good for me, let's say. But yeah, we have Oh, by the way, we just had a great AMA session with Jacques from Cyvers, which I strongly recommend. I will also share in the show notes. Yeah, because we're gonna be, how to say that, armed, or let's say well equipped for basically do everything that we can and improve the security of any project building on Arthera. And yeah, it was really interesting to talk a bit with Jacques from Cyvers. So yeah, Bertrand, maybe back to this. I don't need these 2 comments, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just remove them as well, and there we see that at the end of the day, I mean, it's really, really, really simple. I have added this import, and which is called here, and that's all actually. So,
but then you will support only the embedded wallet. Yeah. So I will not support anymore the MetaMask wallet or any Web3 wallet.
That's very true.
But good. That's good. That can be also a good thing to show trust.
Yeah, maybe that's an excellent question. If do you have any idea, like, if I want to add?
Yeah,
I
I
don't
mean,
know.
if you can look at what I've done for the daily drop. If you and if you go to dailydrop.vercel.app, daily minus drop, that's where every day we have a new photo NFT, daily minus drop.
Okay.
.vercel.app. And that's what I did yesterday during my day off.
You had a wonderful weekend, obviously.
Yeah, the blockchain weekend.
A blockchain weekend.
And so here, if you click connect wallet. You see now also I've added the connect wallet at the top to be able to show the address that was missing.
That's
so if you click on connect wallet,
an absolute gem in terms of design.
Yeah, you see, I'm not the design guy. So what I've done here is that I've limited the number of wallets usable to make it less confusing, I think. And then it still detects that you have MetaMask installed. You can still use. I could even remove Wallet Connect, but I was thinking if you keeping Wallet Connect, you have more than 300 wallets supported. Yes. So you feel it's still not so much listed here, but with Wallet Connect feature, you get more than 300. Coinbase Wallet because it's easy on mobile. MetaMask, which is both on mobile also.
But my question.
And so email here, you will see that with what you do, you will only have email when you click on Connect Wallet. So do you want to restrict on only an email wallet, or do you still want to authorize some MetaMask connection? But
I mean, for this one, we definitely can keep it email.
Just based on
I would say, but as I was
go ahead.
No, but I was just curious to know how exactly would I add?
It's with separated with commas. From what
is it
remember.
Simple? Is it that simple? Like you separate with comma and you're good to go. Okay.
Yeah, it's a documentation of if you go back to the documentation of Thirdweb.
Excellent. Excellent. All right. Okay, so we'll have it like embedded wallet only for this app, and let's go.
We are maximalist.
Voila. Yeah. Let's go ahead and commit this one.
It's targeting only Web2 users that have only Google account, like Google maximalist like me.
No, I mean, we're definitely moving towards like the best of Web3, but without the usual UX problems that we
usual suspect.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, yeah, it's been quite a few years, and we still have all these problems, and we intend to remove these pain points,
Friction.
these frictions and pain points for everyone. That's part of the mission here. Okay, I'm pushing. And so this should, okay, let's make a pull request. This is our Halloween staking app.
Yeah, I don't know that well. Yeah, wow. Even in the case of the letters.
Yeah, I always prefer to have
Yeah.
find it more
And then file change. How much? 1, I think.
yeah, just
And what's the modification?
yeah, we don't need to review again, I think.
But just to check that because you.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's very very minimal.
Yeah, minimal.
And even it even includes some cleaning. So
yeah, yeah.
So just merge it.
Yeah, we can go ahead and merge. What's that? Is that some checks from Verso?
Yeah, I mean it's automatically deployed on Netlify, not on Vercel this time.
Okay, let's go ahead and merge.
As you want. There is only one commit. I mean, it's
there's only one commit, but I don't know as
usually because also in the good habits of Git, if when you do merge request, it creates a merge commit, and so it breaks the linearity of the branch. So that's why the Git maximalist doesn't recommend the merge.
Right.
The merge commit, but it's easiest to do also.
Okay. Nice. So it should.
And now you can come back to code, and with the orange point, you will see the development. So now you need to come back to your main branch.
Yes.
Before forgetting about it, and then you need to pull.
Yeah,
100%. But to synchronize.
So there we synchronize, and we're good to go. Okay. Okay, so everything's pretty up to date on my side locally, and it should be live on Vercel in a bit.
No, in Netlify.
Oh, sorry, Netlify. Thank you.
Okay. So go back to the code, I think, to the code tab of GitHub, and you will see the. Maybe there is okay.
Yep.
And then you can see it's not automatically deployed. I think it was. No, you don't see the. Maybe click on the hash, but
I don't remember if I did it last time. If I did it, I probably did it in Netlify, and I can go check right now. So
it was in Netlify because you had the Netlify logos in the pull request.
Yes. It is building.
It's still building in public.
And yeah, building in public, of course. Like there, I mean, we can even, yeah. But it's not. Let's not waste too much time.
Okay.
Like it's building, it's fine, but we're gonna, it's going to be changed. It's like we will change. What will we change exactly? Your details. So this will change because we're gonna redeploy the staking contract. So, allora.
You want? Okay.
Yeah. You wanted to do it, maybe Bertrand. You want to give it a try?
Not so
sure. Not sure, huh? Not sure.
I can.
Yeah, but maybe for this time I'll do it myself and
yeah, I think.
Yeah, no worries. So
but it's always on the good way to do it.
Yeah. Absolutely. So this one, so this contract was deployed from a special wallet address, which we call the subscription owner. That's how we call basically the guy who deploys the DApp, right? And there I logged in my Arthera wallet. Here I have a lot of all kinds of tokens here, of course, but what we want is to subscribe as a DApp, right? And there we're going to indicate the new address of the contract. So right now I'm logged in with my with this this wallet, which is called, I think, yeah, Arthera tester. One of the many Arthera testers. I have many Arthera testers. That's one of them, right? So it's this address. It's also funded, and so yeah, that's the same address that I'm using in the wallet and in the hard hat project. Since it is a hard, yes, it is a hard hat project. Okay, and so yeah, I can go ahead, maybe try to deploy it like this before, or maybe not. Bertrand, do you think we need to deploy it without the subs?
It's already deployed without.
Yeah, it's already deployed. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and add Arthera subscription.
Yes.
So so two options we have here. We can use this tutorial in the documentation, or we can use this one. Oh, light mode here. Ooh. Okay, I'm still light mode. It's horrible. It's it's okay. Okay, that's okay. We'll do it with the light.
Oh. So stick to the documentation maybe instead of.
Yes, but
no?
but the tutorial is. I mean, it's here. It's available. It's about the same actually. I did a little bit of context, but the steps are pretty much the same. So, all right. So step 1 is done. Step 2 now. Okay, so what we're gonna add a specific contract here, which is called I subscription owner, which is a sort of interface. So right. I don't know how much in detail I should go, but yeah, I can actually directly add. Let's do that. It will be probably cleaner
because you have only one contract, so
yeah.
It's not a big deal to add 3 lines with the
yes
2 lines of.
Let's see if that compiles. For some reason, I don't have.
Only adding an interface.
Yeah. All right, that's compiled, obviously. So that's good. Then, oh, we need the ERC 165. I'm not sure. Say again.
For the introspection.
Introspection, yes, because some contract need to know if it's an EOA or if it's a contract. But I'm not sure. We have OpenZeppelin in there. Let's see. Otherwise, I just install OpenZeppelin. Oh, okay. I think we have it. Okay, good.
In package.json, let's take a quick look.
But
but you have already imported. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it's already in the Thirdweb template.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, probably because it was a staking contract, so they probably need I don't know, some.
Yeah. You just need to look at package.json to see if there is an open contract package.
And so now our contract is staking 20 base and it's also iSubscription owner here, and ERC165. And so yeah, we need to implement a few things.
No.
Yeah. Wait. Let's go back to our own.
Let's go back to the doc, no?
Yeah. Back to the doc, of course, as always.
Make your contract in a range
so that's step 4. Step 4.
Yes, and then, that's what you have done, but
yep. So
but then you need to add because it inherits, you need to add the function also.
Yes, exactly. We need to add actually 2 functions. Let's first add this special function that we're going to add here at the end. And so we want to replace this with the address of the subscription owner, which is the guy who deploys the contract. On this contract, we don't have the notion of ownership. So,
but it's still as a deployer, no?
Yes, I mean, I could put the address, in static way, but
yeah.
So let's just do that. Yeah, let's just do that.
You can use. You can use because you have put the private key in static also. So,
what do you mean, the private key in static?
I mean, like in the environment file, the private key, it's also defined. So you could, but then, could be more about return, but then it's solidity, so you cannot use but could be, if you want to do it in a non-static way, you would have to use an initialization parameter to provide the address in the initializer, in the constructor, and then the constructor will define and
yeah, we could do that.
Maybe you have it. No, you have.
But I will need to create a new variable here, right?
Then you need default admin.
Yeah, there's a default admin, but how do I get it?
It's in the constructor. So
yes, so you mean it's accessible here? Let me see. Maybe if I just call it.
So here you just say return default admin.
Yeah, that could work.
I mean, you could check.
Nope. Or maybe without the underscore. Nope.
No, because then you need to know how maybe it is managed into the function, like into the parent initializer. Because then he pass the default admin, it's pass it to the staking 20 base because it's inheriting for staking 20 base.
It's taking 20 base default admin. Wait, maybe something like this?
No.
Wait. No. No, sorry. No, but if not, that's undeclared. So it's not directly accessible here.
Yeah, and maybe it's not recorded in the constructor. So
yeah.
I mean, for this, you can just keep it with the address. And
yes, absolutely.
Let's do it in the hackathon way.
Yes. And everybody bear with us. Okay, so static address, which is mine.
And what is the warning on the function?
Can be restricted to pure.
Okay.
View pure return. No.
No, but let's just keep it this way.
Yeah, we just keep.
Because the purpose is to also follow the documentation and see.
100%. Let's go back to it. Okay, last one we want to add. So it's a sort of supports interface function here. Let's see what it gives.
But maybe it's already.
Yeah, most of times that's very true. Most of times you have this, or you may have
and
this.
that's why you use super.
Yes.
So it override the ERC 165, and by adding the subscription owner.
Yes.
Interface ID.
Here. Does that compile?
And the prettier as do his job also of.
That's right. That's already sort of included in a Thirdweb template, so that's great as usual. So here we get a warning that we kind of expected, because we didn't want to even touch this.
Yeah, but just a warning that it can be restricted to pure. So
yeah, and we don't want to do it now.
No, we don't want to do it.
Okay. Seems like you don't want to add it now, so let's not add it now. But you have a specific reason for this, Bertrand, or?
To not take too much time on it.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
And to avoid the potential error of.
But if I just do external pure, yeah, that's it. Done. Voilà.
Yeah.
That's better. Cool.
So then you should update the doc.
Yes.
and also both doc, because you.
Yeah, I have
the duplication.
Bertrand, you and I have a pretty long to-do list, so I mean, let's keep it in mind. I mean, you're right. Let's keep it in mind. And
that's what I was saying. Do not change it.
Right. Okay, let's go ahead and deploy.
So Thirdweb deploy.
Okay, you tested so much Thirdweb stuff that you know it by heart, right? that's beautiful.
But it's packaged in Yarn, so you just do Yarn deploy and it manage for you.
Right, but how do I specify the network here?
The network, it will be in the Thirdweb dashboard, because Thirdweb deploy just starts the Thirdweb web dashboard.
Oh, yes, of course. Okay, stupid of me. Let's go.
No, Yarn deploy.
Just Yarn deploy. Sorry again. Okay, Yarn deploy.
Because it's configured in the script of package.json.
Got it.
And also, what we got is that when you use @latest, it will insist to deploy the following package of Thirdweb.
Okay.
So that's why you need to, if you use Yarn to start the deploy, then it makes sure that you are always running the latest version of Thirdweb CLI.
Right. And that's a nice feature indeed. I mean, I agree. It's always good to have the latest
more
version
time
of everything.
And to solve all the dependencies. But
what's happening to me? Wow.
That's dependency L of Node.js.
Yes.
Like a dependency requiring a dependency, requiring a dependency, requiring a dependency. So and that even makes some circular dependency.
So. All right, yeah. No, but that's precisely why it's always better to let Thirdweb update everything for you, right?
Yeah, but then don't run npm audit to see how many critical.
Okay. Okay. So it's obviously compiling on Thirdweb side.
No.
No.
Uploading.
Oh, we already reached an hour. I don't. Do you have some hard stop after that, Bertrand? Or
no,
no?
Not so much.
Yeah, not so many hard stops. Okay, I see.
But,
I see. Okay, let's try to make it quick. Oh, and then
that's it nearly. In fact, you will have to read.
Oh, yeah.
You need to put back the parameter, but that's where you can come back to the Block Explorer.
Yes.
To get it from the previous deployment.
Yes, as you, yeah. Except maybe I deployed other stuff. Yes. Previous deployment, you say? Oh, but I have the address here. Where is it? That's the address. So we should be able to find the. Oops. Sorry for that.
No, because the contract address is in the UI, of course.
Yep. So that's our contract. And so we want the very first transaction, which is the contract creation. I'm not even sure it's verified. Okay. How do we do that?
Because it's not enough, but you just need to go to the transaction. The deployment transaction at the top.
No, because
you will see that creator and then transaction at the top.
Yes, but it's
then your details.
No, but it's in a weird format here.
Because it's not verified.
Yeah.
You don't get the decode of the raw input.
Yep. What do we do?
But then we can re-explain. So go back to it and I can explain again. We can find it again. So we can even put some other parameters.
Maybe the parameters are accessible.
Like the unit was 1 for 1 second. The reward ratio was 1.
Sorry, I just sign in because I guess I'm gonna need that. Okay. So yeah, sorry.
Yeah, no, that's fine. You need to first connect. So the time unit was we want to reward every second. So it's 1.
1.
We want to reward from what I remember it was 1 and 2 because we want to for every LP token or ELP token you have, we want to reward. No, for the 2, I think for 2 LP token, we want to. If you have 2 LP token, you receive 1 reward. And then you need the staking token address and reward address. So the reward address was the treat token that you deploy from your. So you should have it from your Thirdweb dashboard.
In my
go back to your Thirdweb dashboard.
Okay. Thirdweb dashboard contract. And then maybe settings or something.
It should arrive. Yeah. So
it's there.
See
Halloween treat.
Halloween treat, and then you just copy the address.
That's the address I want.
So that's the reward token, and the staking token. If you want, I can.
It would be great. It would be paradise.
I need for you.
Yes, please.
Because I'm on it. Up. Because it's me who was up with contracts. Tick. Up, copy to clipboard. And yeah, in the chat.
Thanks.
So private chat in public.
Yes, private chat. with the inception effect as well.
Yeah.
Right. So that's for the staking.
Yes. No. For the staking token, yes.
Yeah, staking token.
And the native token wrapper.
Native token wrapper. I don't even.
Yes, that's WAA.
Yes.
So I can also find it.
I have some of them here in the Explorer.
Yeah, if you have some, it's what is old into the ELP token. Yeah, there is 2 tokens. Yeah, that's the same. And so the AA, you need the AA that is used in the LP. And so not sure. Look, I'm sending it to you here. It starts with a C. Yeah, that's looks like the same.
C7,
C1 and D.
Yeah. Okay, this is the one. And let's go. Let's deploy this one. So we're deploying this through Thirdweb UI. And so the next step is to actually subscribe as a dApp.
And we keep some surprise for next week. Huh? Because we don't want to spoil.
All right. This is deployed. Is it already verified, you think?
And yeah, we will ask Thirdweb to add to use the Sourcify support.
Oh yeah. Yep.
So Arthera support of Sourcify.
But anyway, we have the address now, and so what I wanted to show you guys is like how to add it as a dApp. So, I need to. Is it the right address? Yes, it is. By the way, no, wait. I think we have a problem here. Because it was deployed from my Thirdweb address, right?
Yeah, that's why you need to use MetaMask connection.
Yes, but it's not the same. Wait.
So you need to use the same wallet address that you use to deploy. So you can find it here on the dashboard.
So it's
you deploy from this address.
I mean, it's this address, but is it? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Connect.
No, but I'm not sure. No. No. I don't want to connect here. Okay, it's okay. I needed to.
You need to be sure to use the same.
Yeah, because
address.
Yeah, I know, but
And that's a problem with MetaMask. It's sometimes you remember.
Yeah.
It's not sometimes it remembers the wallet you connected with.
Ah, this is Jean-Michel.
Remember, you deployed with Jean-Michel.
It's my Jean-Michel address.
So you want to deploy again, or?
No.
You are sure that you couldn't verify on Thirdweb?
That's a good question. But so I'm using the address I use with Thirdweb. But on a normal project, just for info, on a basic project, if it's a hard hat project, you have it in the .env file. So, but anyway, so I think I can sign in with my Jean-Michel address, and that's it. Yes. Oh, yeah, that's it.
That's what I was saying.
Okay, perfect. So let's go and subscribe for a DApp plan. I need the address of my staking contract that was just deployed, which has, if I go back to the guide, yeah, you have different. Yeah, it's. I mean, it's already done. It's already done and deployed.
And go back to the.
Yeah. Back to the wallet. The wallet interface. Just for info, guys, the wallet interface is getting better. Pretty soon we'll have the whole subscription management platform that will be available, which is already available, by the way. And yeah, so we'll do that in some upcoming building public session. And yeah, we can go ahead and here pay 20, only the contract subscription owner.
Only the contract subscription owner can subscribe to a plan. So maybe you are not connected with. So you need to look in the source code which address of owner you put in the.
Yes, because I put another. Wait. No, but that's okay. I mean,
every word you go to.
Yes, because I deployed from Thirdweb, but I put another. I'm not sure this will work, man.
No, if you deploy from a wallet that is not the address that you put in the source code for the owner, it will not work.
No, it wasn't this wallet. It was another one. Arthera tester. So yeah, now I'm connected with this guy, and now maybe I can go ahead. Let's try. Let's give it a try. If it fails, it fails. We're building in public. It's sorry. Okay, that's super interesting. It means that you don't need to be. Oh, okay. Nonce has already been used. That's an interesting error.
Nonce has already been used.
Interesting error.
Yeah, it's because you used maybe this. If you use this with, no, you have not used it with Ardat.
It's weird. It's weird.
So you could, in this case, the easiest is to just reset the nonce management of MetaMask. Like in MetaMask, you can have to reset just the internal data, and then it will resynchronize. So now it's in settings. Yeah, settings.
Thanks.
Advanced, I think. And then clear activity.
All right. So I just
I reset the nonce, the account nonce, and erase data from the.
Okay, that's all right. Okay, that's done. Do I refresh or something? Yeah.
Could try.
Just refresh it one time. I'm connected with this account. I subscribe as a DApp. I paste the address of my contract. And let's see what happens. If it fails, I think we would eventually stop here. Oh. Right. But wait. Maybe this one might be just display, because this wallet v1, is about to be deprecated anyway. So, but
maybe you can check in the.
I think we're good already. But yeah, we're good. So this is just a display error.
Yeah, that's why.
We actually, we already subscribed as a DApp here.
Yeah. So that was just a temporary bug in the UI, but
so yeah,
we will not use this anymore.
It's a success. I even have my. Oh no, I don't have it. Okay, we don't care.
It works.
No, but I have a special message when something works. So
yeah, I've seen it. I was saying it works or something like this, no? But
yeah, okay.
This just works.
Yeah. Okay, but it's anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Next step for us is to add the contract address in the UI, right? And then tweak the UI a little bit to make sure it whitelists everything. But maybe do we stop here and keep it for next week, Bertrand?
No. You have made nearly everything, so now you need to.
Okay, let's go. Let's go jusqu'au bout.
Yeah, it's not fake it until you make it.
Yeah. All right. No safety net, no nothing. Let's go. An issue.
I mean, what's the next step? What steps are missing?
It all starts with an issue. The next step would be to give it the new address of the contract.
Yeah.
And then add a little whitelisting the user as he logs in. Right?
If you want to make it maybe shorter, you can just connect with one Google account, get the address, and just whitelist this address.
Exactly.
Good to go for today.
Yes. So add new contract address. That's going to be enough.
Let's do it the clean way.
No, it's the quick way. I'm sorry for that, Bertrand.
No, I feel that's that's a good way, not a quick way. I mean, if it was doing the quick way, you would just change the address directly on the main branch.
Are you telling me the quick way is the good way? You really changed since you worked
I feel this is not the quickest way. That's what I was meaning.
I think you changed, Bertrand. So, all right, I'm on my branch.
Because I'm influenced also.
Yeah. Okay, this is our contract. Yes. Just copy the address. I'm just pasting it here. Save. And see and try to see what happens on the app, like locally. What do we have? Yeah, we can't really see. Everything seems okay, but I don't know.
You're still 0 here. It should not be.
So I have 0. Oh, you mean there?
Yes, reward token balance.
Reward token balance is 0.
You have not pushed yet, so I can check. You can check on the live website. You can compare with the live website, and it say unsupported operation. I know that's just about.
No, that's the ENS error, so that's okay. I'm just refreshing this. But I think we're good to go. Let's just add the whitelisting thing.
Yeah, no, that's because you have not whitelisted this new contract in the tweet token. That's what you forgot, because now that you have a new staking contract, you need to authorize this staking contract to mint the reward token.
Oh.
In the Thirdweb dashboard of the tweet contract. So you need to copy this contract address, new contract address.
Ah, yes, I remember. Contract. Yes.
And go there. Then you need to go to permission. And
permissions here.
And then you need to remove the previous contract address, and to replace it with a new one.
Or maybe even add.
No, replace.
No. Okay. Okay.
Because we want to replace the previous contract by the new contract.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay.
But the problem is that you are not signed in, so you cannot modify anything, or at least save anything.
Oh, it's not going to be the right address. Wait. Jean-Michel again. Okay.
You need to connect with the address 0A.
Yep.
And you can see that you see already the red button. So
yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay, and now I can edit stuff.
So it's not edit. You remove one and you add another, I think.
Yeah. So remove this one. Yeah.
Okay, and then you maybe that's you could have just oops, access control account 0 is missing word.
Oh, okay. It was the other one. Sorry for that, guys. It was the other one. For some reason, I mean, it's strange.
No, you need that's a good one. 0A.
0A4, but it's not the good one.
No, 0A4 is admin.
Ah, yes, you're right. So
you are connected to the right wallet, but what it says is that is missing 0, is missing all 0.
Okay.
And what? But here you try to look at the from here. You try to send the transaction from the address 0xe. So that's what you said. You are sending from the wrong wallet.
Yeah.
You need to be connected with the wallet that is in admin.
Yeah.
So this 0A.
Sorry.
Yes, that's strange. Maybe you can refresh. And here, it's also 0A.
No, I should just connect properly with the other one.
Which? No, but that's the problem. If you try with this one doesn't have the role.
Okay, that's twisted.
Because here that's the 0A. Because you reject, I mean, that's what bugs the program. So you need to sign maybe and then connect. Yeah, so here you just disconnect.
But I will not. I will not have
just remove the authorization from MetaMask. So you go to MetaMask, and then here in the little green thing, like here, you click and you say that the 3 dots, and you disconnect this account, and then you switch to account Jean-Michel, maybe. Or disconnect every account. That could be even easier.
Yes. Okay.
But and then you will reconnect only Jean-Michel, maybe.
Okay, I think we're good.
So refresh the page now.
Yeah.
It's more a backend issue.
Yeah, it seems okay.
Yeah, so that's what I said. You need to click on remove because then it doesn't detect.
Wow. Wow.
And so here it's F, so it will not work now. Really?
Not sure. It was some multi-call.
No, I think that's fine here. Look at the MetaMask. If you see the transaction and the activity. Yeah, updated, successfully updated.
Done. Good. So it should be.
It's a debug in public.
Oh yeah. Maybe it needs a bit of time for that. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was just to have this balance here. But anyway, I don't have any treat token on this wallet. I think.
Okay.
Right. So
yeah.
So I think we can go ahead and add the last thing we want to do.
Yeah.
Which is the whitelisting. Just for info, guys, when the SMP is out, the subscription management platform is out, you won't really need to add this whitelisting part.
But you shouldn't even.
Yeah. You will have everything to manage the subscription for your users, etc. So that's it's going to be pretty easy to use. And even with fiat payment, by the way, we have a very nice widget that was delivered pretty recently from the Arthera team, and so you're not going to do that actually at all. But yeah, for now we have this step 7, which is to add the this.
But you can whitelist directly on the Explorer, maybe for one address.
That's a good point. Let's see what we can do in the app, because I don't remember what's happening in this app actually. So I have actually no idea of what's happening in this app.
Yeah, that's a staking app.
That's just a staking app. So where's the main function here? Which one do we want to?
There's get rewards. So what we want to
mint rewards?
Yes.
Or maybe another one. I'm not sure.
Why?
Rewards.
Mint reward. Or claim contract called claim rewards. Reward claim successfully. And so it will call the claim rewards function. I mean, it's not mint, it's claim rewards.
Yeah. So there I should have. I'm not sure we're going to do it now because we're going to need to create a new signer here, which is the
signer.
Yes, because you need the subscription owner to whitelist the user, right?
Yes.
So you need to have a.
So let's keep it for next week to whitelist from the SMP last week.
Yeah. I think so. And also it kind of makes sense because we will try both ways, like one with like the old way, and then maybe with the brand new.
Yeah, we should try only with new way.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you're right. But yeah, that was the old way. The old way was like you create a signer from the subscription owner private key.
Yeah, but you should not put the private key of the owner in the UI.
Yeah, which is not a great practice. You're absolutely right. And then and then you want to call the whitelist function. Call whitelist function.
And why not calling the whitelist function from the block explorer? Because it's not visible, or maybe?
I don't
if
remember.
You click on the here, the ABI, on the ABI, it's here.
No, there was.
And even if it's not visible, you could, yes, that's where I found the ABI last time, during the hackathon in Madrid.
Yeah.
So you see, that's not really the easiest way to do it.
Right.
And so even if it's not visible in, even if it's not visible in the block explorer, you could do it in Remix also by importing the ABI. And
that's right.
I think that's what I've done during the hackathon in Madrid.
So that's basically what we could even basically copy paste. I mean, we could do that, but
yeah, but then you need, as you say, you need to share the private key.
Yeah, and share the private key itself. So yeah,
of the sub-zoner. So that's not really.
Yeah, so I suggest we keep a bit of suspense for next week, and we'll just do the sort of part 3 of this this mini project. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, because every look, it's a block explorer. That's what you are doing there. You should be able to do it from the block explorer when you connect with owner private key.
Yeah, absolutely, but
block explorer, if it's visible in the block explorer and it's not visible in the block explorer, you could connect it in Remix. You could import with Remix ABI of this address,
but you know what?
Then run it from. Now that I remember, that's what I've done at the hackathon in Madrid.
Yeah. The memory.
Because it's not visible in the block explorer because it's a precompiled address, and the precompiled address are not verified in the block explorer, so you are not able to use read contract and write contract features of a block scope. You could check.
All right, so yeah, and this is typically the thing that will be super easy in the SMP.
In the SMP. So let's keep it.
Yeah. So let's just
next week.
Let's just leave the old behind and move forward, right?
Maybe you can show again the full login workflow in Google. In the DApp, show the full Google sign-in flow. So you disconnect from the account. And but I think you have already authorized.
Yeah. So I need to.
And maybe you could show it live instead of localhost.
Yeah. Good point.
At this time, it should have been finally deployed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Connect wallet.
Hopefully, yes. It's live.
Google.
It is actually live. I hope it's properly.
I don't know what it's doing, but maybe the Google connection failed to sign in.
Why that?
No, because it's still working in the.
Yeah. No, because I need to.
Because the client ID you given.
I need to.
It's not whitelisted for this.
Yeah, the URL. Yeah, the URL is not properly.
No, even it's your client ID. It's not valid for embedded wallet. That's what you didn't explain also.
Yes. Because I need to. Yeah. I've completely.
Because in the Thirdweb dashboard, in the API key, you need to enable the embedded wallet feature.
Right. Yeah. There are a bunch of features that we can enable, and
So go to settings.
And the embedded wallet is not. So that's our problem here.
And so, like staking, for example, was using only RPC and storage.
Exactly. So we can see that this one is activated, like the embedded wallet is activated, but not.
That's why it doesn't work.
That's why it's not working right now. Okay. Let's maybe stop here.
Okay. So you don't want to make it work?
Yes, but I mean, is it possible? Is it even possible to add it?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't know.
But then you need to be patient enough for it to work. So I would recommend you to create a new one.
Yeah, but then I need to update it everywhere. So yeah, let's do it.
Try to add the feature to enable the service.
Yes.
So
there.
Yeah, embedded wallet and not smart wallet. Not the smart wallet, just the embedded wallet.
Not the smart wallet. C'est bon là?
No, just embedded wallet and not smart wallet, because smart wallet is bundler and paymaster services.
Sorry. It's just
that work on 10 chain, and the embedded wallet work on every chain.
Yeah, I'm just a little tired. All right.
Save?
No, because I need to indicate URL.
Yeah, that's
redirect URL.
No, it's a redirect URL. So it's only for the native app.
All right. I'll just save it. Frankly, I doubt. Now I need to get my new client ID.
No, it's the same client ID. You just edited so you need to check that this client ID is what is in your app. But
okay, so let's check if this works. This actually works on the one that's deployed here. So maybe we end with some sort of victory at some point.
Yeah. So why it was working locally? Because you use another token ID?
Maybe, yes. I think that's because
now it works.
Yeah, I think that's because I used the other client ID, I think. And here I am.
So this may take a while.
Yeah. They're sort of reconstructing the private key and blah, blah.
And voila.
Right.
You got your wallet, Web3 wallet created from your Web2 login.
Yeah. So this is I want to say Ethereum address.
And even if you look at transaction history, it will open it into. You could maybe even try to put this address in the faucet, or try to send some AA to this address.
Yeah, good point.
To show that it's not a fake wallet, but that you can really receive.
There I'm getting 5 units.
Yeah, few transactions of Arthera Explorer.
AA. So I can, of course, I can check it. I can check it here.
So refresh. Yeah.
So this is refreshed. Now I have
voila.
5 units.
And now you can. You will need some. And you see the 5 AA.
Yeah.
And you should be able to stake and stake. You would need to send me the address.
Yeah.
Of the wallet.
Okay, but anyway, we will share in the show notes. We will share like all the links we've mentioned today, and also a little bit more indications on how to use this little app here. Right? We want to give it to Alessia so she can explain to everyone, like, how to use it. What do we need exactly, by the way, Bertrand? Not much.
Just Floki. The Floki token has been updated on ELT.
Okay.
And so you to be able to stake. So to be able to stake, you need first to provide liquidity on ELT, and the liquidity you need to provide is the Floki token, Floki A token, and the WA.
Right.
So you provide this in the pool, then you receive an ELP token that proves that that's your proof of liquidity providing.
Yes.
And then you can stake this ELP token in this staking app.
Right.
In the staking contract.
Right.
And then you would see the current reward, the stake amount and the current reward that will increase, and you can claim the reward on stake as we have demonstrated last week.
Right, but my question was more like, what do people need to have on their wallets to stake here?
Floki AA and WAA.
Okay, so you need both of these tokens on your wallet.
Right? Yes, that's a pair.
Okay. Okay.
So a pair is a.
Yeah. Right.
There is no pair of one.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Well, yeah, that's it for today.
And this worked.
And it worked. And it's always better when it works as intended. It's beautiful. And yeah, see you guys next week. And thank you very much for watching. And I think, I can remove my little. And thank you so much, Bertrand.
Yeah, welcome. See you next week.
Bye.
From Istanbul.